Foundations of architecture. Architecture is not only about the production of form but also concerned with function and how this function will affect the form. This is what distinguishes architectural design principles from sculpture. In architecture, in addition to form, function, and activities, factors such as light, sound, and space must also be taken into account to create comfortable environments for people. Architecture exists within a place or context, on a site. This location influences aspects such as the orientation of the design, the approach to the building, the views from within and outside the building, and the relationships established with the immediate environment. Architecture can also carry symbolic meaning, which can be religious, for example, a cathedral, national, for example, a government building, and so on. Major cities often have architectural icons: Paris's Eiffel Tower, Kuala Lumpur's Petronas Towers, New York's Chrysler Building, or London's Parliament House. For example, architecture plays a role in how people relate to places and cultures, and buildings can have effects beyond physical experience. Sketch of the Schroeder House. This student drawing is a geometric analysis of the Schroeder House. When analyzing the building's facade, it becomes evident that its elements have been designed in relation to each other using a specific proportional system. The red lines represent the golden ratio, which is a geometric proportion system. Schroeder House, Utrecht, Netherlands. Gerrit Rietveld, 1924-1925. Times art movements can also influence architectural form. The impact of the de-Stijl movement in the Netherlands on Gerrit Rietveld's architecture can be particularly observed in the Schroeder House. Architecture has psychological effects as well, such as how light moves in a particular space or the tactile sensations evoked by the materials used. A completed building is a fully sensory experience. Some of these experiences are consciously designed, while others may arise from unexpected and emotional experiences resulting from people's interaction with architecture. Architecture must be approached at different scales, densities, and stages to develop and evolve. This book addresses fundamental principles and their impact on the expression and development of architectural products. Visual language is a necessary means of expression for all architects. These videos touch on as many expressive methods as possible, opening a door to the exciting world of architecture. Analysis of the Schroeder House. The three-dimensional perspective of the Schroeder House illustrates that the interior spaces are defined by the intersections of horizontal and vertical planes. The plan of the structure can be read from the shaded area at the bottom of the drawing.